In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix website over to a client. This process ensures that the new owner has all the necessary access and control, while allowing you to step back or remain involved if you wish. The goal is a smooth transition, and I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Wix website. Make sure you're signed into your account and head to the dashboard of the website you intend to transfer. It's important to double-check that you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple websites. This will save you from potential headaches later on. Once on the correct website's dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. It's here that you'll find the tools necessary for managing your website's ownership and permissions. In Settings, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Roles and Permissions. This area is crucial as it dictates who has access to your site and what they can do with it. Click on Roles and Permissions, and you'll be on your way to modifying the ownership details. Next, look for the option that says Change Owner. This is where the transfer process truly begins. By clicking on Change Owner, you'll open a window that allows you to designate a new owner for the site. In this window, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person who will take over ownership. Make sure this is the correct email for the new owner, as any errors here can complicate or delay the transfer. Enter their email address carefully. After entering the email, you'll notice an option labeled A Client. Click on this to confirm that the new owner is indeed the client you intend to transfer the website to. Remember, accuracy is key to avoid any miscommunication. With the email inputted and client status confirmed, click on Continue. At this point, you have the option to keep yourself on as a co-owner. This can be beneficial if you plan to continue managing some aspects of the site or if you wish to supervise during the transition period. If you choose to act as a co-owner, click Continue or proceed without it if you prefer a clean break. Now all that's left is to click on Transfer Ownership. This step finalizes your part of the process. Once you've completed these actions, the new owner needs to accept the transfer via an email that will be sent to them. It's a good idea to notify them beforehand so they can be on the lookout for the message and complete the final step promptly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of transferring your Wix website to a client. This ensures they have full control and can begin managing their new site effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.